Yeah. So we're continuing on in our neurological study. Thanks again for joining me. It's called Neural Life. And I got some information that I want to share with you uh, to take our study to another place. And it's from a book that was very helpful in my studies. And the section of this book is titled Rewiring a Brain with Light. Alright? So let's read. This is the idea that light is a potent healer, has been hidden in plain sight for millennia. Though the ancient Egyptians had little science, they did not doubt what they saw with their own eyes, that the sun was essential to growth and life everywhere. They worshipped the sun god Ra. They were literal sun worshippers, and like most worshippers, had high hopes that their god would not only protect but heal them. Ra's presence was everywhere, still is. Even the all-powerful Pharaoh had Ra's name embedded in his. The Egyptians had many other ancient pagans saw the sun as the primary source of life, and they took it as self-evident that all life forms ultimately derive their energy from the sun. Of course, sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, their energy source. Even organisms that do not conduct photosynthesis get their energy from eating plants or the animals that eat them. Yeah. So ultimately, all growth on the planet depends on the sun. The ancients also sensed that the healing of distressed tissues requires growth. Ancient Egyptian, Greek, Indian, and Buddhist healers all used systematic exposure to the sun to foster healing. An ancient Egyptian papyrus from the pharaonic period describes anointing painful ill body parts with fluids and exposing them to the sun to obtain medical benefits. Thus, many recent discoveries about light are actually rediscoveries, such as the finding in 2005 that placing patients recovering from surgery in a sunlit room, as opposed to an artificially lit one, significantly decreases their pain. So, may knowledge be increased unto you. May you excel and abound in everything you need to excel and abound in. May you utilize this information and let it be a help to you and to those that you love. May it change your life for the better. May you stay tuned for part 2. That's coming up in a little bit. You docked here with the D. Neural life, baby. Let's go.